Hey, this is Joe with Forbes Plumbing. I'm out at 318 Northwest Fairhaven Lane in Dallas, Oregon, 97338. Here we're staring at the city sewer, 64 feet down the line. We're just going to kind of pull back and see the condition of this pipe. So far we got good turns, no offsets. Looks good. That one looked good. That looks fine. Alright, there were no visible problems in this sewer. There is a little bit of sludge buildup. I've got that all over my gloves here and all over the head of this camera. And kind of pull it around. There's a little bit of buildup coming out of there. So maybe a hydro scrub and you've got yourself a perfect sewer instead of a really good looking sewer. But yeah, looks great.